Hello guys. Today's video will show how we made $8 to $117 in a single trade using a slightly different technique from other traders. We will demonstrate how we executed the trade using this method. Let's get started. Now you can see that I am taking entries in that trade and I am taking my entries, and here I am buying with full margin because I am very much confident about this trade. So let's see what happens next and where this trade goes. And now on the screen you can see the balance, equity, and all the trades which we have placed till now. You can see that we are not going in profit, but I am very much confident about this trade, that this trade will make us a lot of profit. Now on the price chart, I am going to place the trend line. This line shows that the trend is upgoing, that's why we are placing buy orders. Now I am going to place the upper base on the screen, and also I'm going to mark the position till where the market is expected to go with this arrow line. That's why I am very much confident about this trade. As far as I have observed, the market is going very fast and it is fluctuating very rapidly. But the good thing is that it is moving in our direction. So we will take advantage of that and we will apply our signature technique, and we will place more and more buy entries with full margin. You can see on the screen that I am placing more entries with full margin. This is the technique we discussed at the beginning of the video, aimed at maximizing profit from our investment. The market is still going up, so I am keeping on buying with full margin. Now you can see the results of the technique on your screen, that we have made profit from this. Now you can again see on the screen that we have made a lot of profit with the help of this technique, that we are placing more entries with full margin and we have crossed the margin of $20. Everything is live. You see the trades, the profit, and the balance. And nothing is hidden from you, and you can yourself see that how much profitable this trade is. As I have mentioned, that this market is very fast, so there are higher chances of making profit in this market. And you can see that the profit is fluctuating very rapidly and it has crossed the level of $50. We will again use our technique and we will again buy entries with full margin. And after placing these trades, we will see that how much profit we have made using this technique, and you can see the amazing results that our profit has crossed $60. So I've again decided to place more and more buy entries with full margin. This is the technique I mentioned at the beginning of the video. Let's see the profit we can make using it. See, our profit has boosted to over $100. When we decided to close the trade, we closed at $117. And we have achieved our target. So if you also want to learn about how you can make profit from the field of Forex trading, so you can join our Telegram channel, the link to which has been provided in the description. There we will provide you authentic and easy trading signals which you can use in your daily life trading. Also in the description we have provided you the top-notch brokers whom with you can collaborate with, and you can become a millionaire from this field in just a short time. In front of you on the screen, you can see the trade history, so you can identify and discover each entry and how much each entry performed. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs it.